thank you.
No, thank you.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
Calm down. Get the point.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry, today is going to be windy with clouds. Look out for large scales of wind.
Be safe.
Now over to you, Bobby. Bobby is going to tell you some very important facts. Be ready.
Tornadoes are headed our way. Tornadoes form when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air. The warm air rises through the cold air and creates a funnel cloud, which is also known as a tornado. Tornado is a rotating funnel-shaped cloud that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground with whirling winds that can reach 300 miles per hour. That's fast. Tornadoes can be in excess of 1 mile long and 50 miles wide. That's really big. Tornadoes can accompany tropical storms and hurricanes once on land.